How to connect laptop to hotel Wi-Fi. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your laptop to hotel Wi-Fi quickly and easy. Whether you're traveling for work or vacation, this step-by-step guide will get you online in just a couple of minutes. Step 1. Turn on Wi-Fi. First, make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi is turned on. If you're using Windows, click on the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you're on a Mac, click the Wi-Fi icon in the top right menu bar. Then, select the hotel's Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 2. Connect it to the network. Click on the network name. It's usually labeled with the hotel's name. If asked, enter the Wi-Fi password, which you can get from the front desk or your own key holder. Step 3. Open your browser. Once you're connected, open up any web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. You should be automatically redirected to the hotel's login or welcome page. Step 4. Login or register. Now, just follow the instructions on the screen. You may need to enter your own number, last name, or an access code. Some hotels also offer free or paid internet plans, so just pick that one you prefer. Step 5. If the login page doesn't load. If the login page doesn't appear, try going to this website. It's a simple site that often triggers the login page. You can also try and type this or this into your browser address bar. Still not working? Disable your VPN or restart your Wi-Fi. Now you're connected. Once you complete the login process, your laptop will be connected to the internet. That's it. You can now browse, stream, or work online for your hotel home. And that was the quick tutorial on how to connect your laptop to hotel Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.